We're back with Sophie on another video on her driving lessons, and today we're going to be driving down it's going to be up High Street. So it's going to be quite tough for her, but she's been quite good at clutch control recently. Yeah.
Don't jinx it.
I'm not trying to jinx anything. So that's what we're going to do. It shouldn't be a dead long one. We're just going to have one go up it, and we're going to be talking about what's happening ahead of us, giving way if we need to. There's going to be lots of hazards, like hazard perception clips. They're going to be everywhere. Parked cars, people stepping out.
Yeah.
So when you're ready, we'll get going.
Showing.
Yeah, just let him tell me you want to pull out at this point. At least he knows you want to go out. That's good. Well done. Excellent. It'd be interesting when you compare the first video to where we are now.
Yeah.
Or side by side, and you look at your difference in your driving.
Yeah.
It's getting better all the time.
But it's funny because it's been so long since the first one.
It feels so long, does it?
Yeah. When was that?
I reckon it's got to be about 8 weeks ago, maybe.
Yeah, that would sound. Yeah, because yeah.
You know, if you think about it, when we're on, it's got to be lesson or video number 5 or 6, hasn't it?
I think it's 6.
Something like that. We're going to go left at the roundabout, please. I'll put a playlist at the top, by the way, if people want to watch the previous videos.
Diversion.
So we're going to go left. And then first gear. A bit of a hell, haven't there?
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, the thing about diversions is when they put a road closure, all of a sudden the road that you normally go down gets busier. Now I have to say, she's never been in this area, have you? Up to about 20 minutes ago. So everything's new to you apart from, we came down this road about 10 minutes ago. But where we're going to go, she's never been before. So it'll be interesting for her because I think you were saying, because you don't know the area, it's harder. And that's what it's like. When you pass your driving test and you're driving to, say, pick your mate up or you're going to see your friends who you've never seen for a while, you don't know where to live. You're following a sat-nav. It's quite hard to kind of, spot things because there's that many things that you can't see. So you just got to go slower. So at the mini roundabout, we're going to go right. And that'll take us up the High Street. It might be quiet, it might be busy. I would have thought it's going to be a bit busy because of the road closure.
Is that a footballer mural or something?
Yeah, it's. I'll explain that in a second. And get yourself ready. Have a little look. First gear. So they're going left in the left lane, aren't they? The white car's going to come across you, isn't it? Yeah. Should we? See, he's going to come across and we've got a gap now. Let's go. That's it. And the mural on the wall, it was painted about a year ago, I think. It's to do with, I think she's called, I might get this wrong, so I apologise if I do, Leah Williamson, English footballer, the England team, who lives in Newport.
Oh.
So it was like a tribute to her, as I suppose a thank you for what she's been doing.
Oh,
to bring
nice.
the women's football. Apologies if I got that wrong, but I'm sure it's something like that.
I don't know much about
And we're going to go up the High Street. So we've got a mini roundabout ahead of us. Lots of cars, isn't there?
a lot.
A lot of cars. And the pedestrians are quite close.
There's a lot of people as well.
Yeah. It gets a bit more crowded further up with people. We're just going to go up the road. Is that at the moment, is it clear?
Currently.
Yeah, let's carry on then. And then you see halfway up the hill, you've got the pedestrian crossing. with a green light on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So keep going, but be wary of people stood there and pressing it, or just stepping out like a woman did, who tripped up to you. Oh, is that what guy then? Can't tell.
That's a guy.
Look like a woman for a second with grey hair.
I think. I don't know.
Yeah. Now, past these cars, see how the cars are stuck out a bit on the left? You need to go a little bit wide to avoid these cars. See, they're all kind of sticking on the road. So start to go a little bit wider. That's it. And that way you're not going to clip the wing mirrors. And the mini roundabout, we're going to go right.
This one?
This one here, yeah. When you do turn right, there's going to be a zebra crossing straight after it. So just keep your speed under control.
I think we have been here before,
Have
but it
we?
was months ago. Absolutely months ago. Like when I first started.
Yeah. No, I don't think you've been here.
I swear I have, because I remember this bit.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Because they were going to cross, and it really stressed me out.
All right. So we have been here then.
Yeah, but it was so long ago.
It must be in your first few lessons.
Yeah. I think it was like one of the first times I'd seen anything busy.
Yeah. Well, you handled that, right, didn't you? That was good. Carry on. You didn't struggle. Because that's quite a tricky one there. You got a tight mini roundabout followed by a zebra on a bend.
Because one of these roads, like something was closed and there was temporary traffic lights.
Oh, right. Isn't it funny how whenever I teach people, they always remember the tricky bits.
Yeah.
Or the bits to stall on.
Yeah.
At the mini roundabout, we're going to do a right turn. As you can see in the distance.
That's probably a little bit too soon.
Yeah, a bit too soon. They might think you're trying to pull over on the right somewhere. So if you realise next time it's too soon, you cancel it and then you reset it.
I'll do it now.
Yeah. And it's not confusing people behind them. Don't worry about her. You keep yourself straight. Because when you started to cross, then you started to go to the left, didn't you, to avoid her? But where's she going?
I thought she was gonna. It was a child.
There's an island, isn't there?
Yeah, but she was a kid. I thought she was gonna run in front of me.
Yeah, but you kept an eye on her.
Yeah.
So keep your car straight, keep an eye on her, and she's looking at you at that point, isn't she? So she knows you're coming. So she's not going to step out in front of you. I mean, she might do.
Yeah.
But it's very rare. There's an island where they step onto it. So you have to assume that at that point, because the parents have let her play near a road, that she must be a bit road sense.
Yeah.
And we're going to park on the left, somewhere convenient and safe. So do you want to drive up the road and see somewhere? Okay. Choose somewhere.
Can't do that.
Or on the right, if you see someone on the right.
Can't do that.
Yeah.
Do somewhere here.
Yeah, it's fine, yeah. This bit is perfect. Because it's quite important for you to make decisions, isn't it now?
Yeah.
Because you understand how to pull over, you understand, and your pulling off is fine. You, rather than me say it, I'm trying to let you do it. Because the more you do it, the more confident you're going to get at doing it. Yeah, that's what I think. Well, going back to the young girl situation then, she's started to cross the road. If there wasn't an island in the middle, then I'd definitely keep an eye on her. But there's an island where they stop to stand to check. It's like an halfway house, or halfway point, you want to call it. All right. Any questions about the high street? And we learned something new that we've been on it once before.
Yeah, it was a very long time ago.
If you want to see Sophie's previous videos, I'm going to put a playlist at the top for her to watch, anyone to watch. Take care, and we'll see everyone next time.